Hey, it's the Refined Reseller. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, you'll get tips, tricks, and advice on how to be the best eBayer you can possibly be. Today, a very short video, but an important video about something that eBay has just done. They are messing around with default shipping methods. I'm going to tell you all about it, but before I do, I hope you're kind enough to consider liking this video and also subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. Now, as you know, there are some issues going on with the United States Postal Service. Most of it has to do with items arriving later than promised. eBay sees that as a major issue. So eBay is doing everything possible to get sellers to ship using other methods besides the United States Postal Service. I always ship out USPS. And I have shipped out over 300 items over the last few months. I have not had any issues. But again, eBay is trying to get sellers to ship either UPS or FedEx. I went to ship out some items just the other day, and I noticed this. When I listed the item, I selected how I was going to ship it out. Then when the buyer bought the item, the buyer selected a preferred shipping method. But when I went to ship out the item, eBay had defaulted to a totally different shipping method than I had put down or the buyer had selected. So let's go to the computer and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here I am on Seller Hub, and as you can see, I have 9 items that are awaiting shipment. So I'm going to click on that. The 9 items come up. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to start with this one. This is a Cox Cable remote that I sold. Now, let me tell you, when I listed this, I had 2 shipping options. Number 1, United States Postal Service first class mail because it weighs less than a pound. And also, I also gave the buyer the option to choose FedEx, which would have been much more. The price that I put on for shipping it, USPS first class mail, was $4.25. That was just an estimate in case it went to California. It costs a little bit more to ship to California. So I'm going to go ahead and click the print shipping label. So when it comes up here, as you can see, eBay defaulted to FedEx 2-day at a cost of $12.04. Now let me say this. The item was less than a pound, so I'm shipping United States Postal Service first class mail. Whenever I list that item, I never put in the weight, and I never put in the dimensions. I have been doing this for 22 years. I have never had to put in the dimensions. So I know how much it weighs. It weighs 8 ounces. I'm going to go ahead and put that in now because I'm ready to ship. The dimensions are 9 by 6 by 3. I'm just going to go ahead and click anywhere on the page, and it's going to show me that the United States Postal Service first class package is $3.39. This is what the buyer selected. That is what I had put in whenever I listed the item. However, eBay defaulted to FedEx 2-day shipping for $12.04. So if I click purchase and print label, it's going to charge me $12.04 where the buyer only paid $4.25. So I have to go in here and I have to change this to USPS first class package. And as you can see, it changed it to $3.39, which is exactly what it's going to cost me. Now I am a top rated seller. I get a discount on all of the items that I sell. So I am shipping out for $3.39. The buyer did pay $4.25, so I'll make a little money on shipping. Okay, that's one. So let me go ahead and show you another one. Let's go to this one right here. Again, this is a DVD that I am shipping media mail. I had it listed as shipping media mail, and the cost I had was $3.25. The buyer selected USPS media mail at $2.80. But again, eBay defaulted to USPS first class package for $2.93. Not that big of a deal, but still, this is what the buyer selected. That is what I had listed, and for whatever reason, eBay now defaulted to USPS first class package. Let me just go show you another one where it wasn't a first class package. It was priority mail because it weighed more than a pound. Okay, now let me show you one that actually worked out in my favor, having eBay switch it to a different shipping method than I had listed. This is an Indigo Moon women's black embroidered jacket. Okay, it weighs 2 pounds, and the buyer selected USPS priority mail. The cost is $9.69, but eBay defaulted to FedEx home delivery, and it's going to cost $8.33. So actually, in this instance, eBay suggested that I sell it FedEx delivery or home delivery, and it's going to save me a dollar and what is that, 36 cents, because I'm going to ship it that way instead of shipping it USPS priority mail. So this is one of those that worked out quite well for me. I'm saving over a dollar, and I am going to ship it out FedEx home delivery. So that's just something that eBay recently started doing. They are trying to get sellers to get away from shipping USPS and shipping FedEx home delivery or UPS ground. As you can see right here, these two options are listed with USPS. So be very careful that if it does switch over to an alternative method besides what you had listed and it's going to cost you more, make sure that you change it before you click the print label button. I hope you learned something from watching this video. If you did, I hope you take some time to please like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the Refined Reseller saying always do like me, buy low, sell high, and I will see you next time.